excited. Picture that we can color.
The kids could hardly wait to start the adventure. As soon as we got on the plane, they start discovering and just getting excited about being on their very first international flight. We got settled and we took off. And as we did, we prepared for dinner. And then before we knew it, it was time to sleep and wake up with maybe a few hours in between at the airport in Amsterdam, bright and early. I think it was 5 a.m. And as we got there, we started to look for where we can purchase our train tickets and our public transportation tickets so we can start the adventure. The kids had just a great time exploring the airport, and they were ready to get on all kinds of public transportation. We got on the train, and that was fun just to look around, and they were ready to start the adventure in Amsterdam.